Good morning, children. Welcome back to mathematics class. Today we are going to study topic adding money, page 101, and I am your maths teacher Priyanka Best. Children, as we have discussed in the last class that we can add money like ordinary numbers. So children, we follow the same pattern. Look at the example here. Add rupees 32.75 and rupees 44.30. Children, you can add this in two ways. First method is write the rupees and paise in separate columns. Then add the paise and then the rupees. So here you write rupees 32.75. Write 32 in rupees column and 75 in paise column. Then children, you write rupees 44.30, 44 in rupees column and 30 in paise column. Now you add like ordinary numbers. So we start adding from right side. So first we add 5 and 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So children, write 5 there. Now 7 plus 3 is 10. So write 0 there and 1 carry. Now children, 2 plus 4 is 6. Add 1 carry is equal to 7. Now children, add 3 plus 4 is 7. So write 7 there. So in this way you will add. So children, when you add 32 rupees 75 paise and 44 rupees 30 paise, you will get answer as 77 rupees 5 paise. Now children, let us see the second method. Look at the example. Add 32 rupees 0.75 and rupees 44.30. Children, here first you write the rupees and paise with a point separating them. Then you can add them like ordinary numbers. So write rupees 32.75 plus rupees 44.30. Now children, add them like ordinary numbers. So we start adding from right side. 5 plus 0 is 5. So write 5 there. Now children, 7 plus 3 is 10. So write 0 there and 1 carry. Now children, 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 7. So write 7 there. Now children, 3 plus 4 is 7. So write 7 there. And here write rupees below rupees. And children, put a point in the answer below the points. Children, let's do some questions. Page 101, question 1, A part. Here you have to add 60 paise and 40 paise. So children, we start adding from the right side like ordinary numbers. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Write 0 there. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. Write 0 there and carry 1 rupee. Now children, there is only 1 under rupees column. So write 1 there. So children, when you add 60 paise and 40 paise, you will get answer as 100 paise or 1 rupee. Now, B part, here you have to add 55 paise and 45 paise. So children, first we add 5 and 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0 there and 1 carry. Now children, 5 plus 4 is 9. Add 1 carry. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Write 0 there and carry rupee 1. Now children, here also there is only 1 under the rupees column. So write 1 there. So when you add 55 paise and 45 paise, you will get answer as 100 paise or 1 rupee. Now next part, C part. Here you have to add 75 paise and 55 paise. So children, first we add 5 and 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0 there and 1 is carry. Now children, 7 plus 5 is 12. Add 1 carry, 13. So write 3 there and rupee 1 is carry. Now children, there is only 1 under the rupees column. So write 1 there. So your answer will be 1 rupee 30 paise. Now let's see the D part. Here you have to add 65 paise and 40 paise. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Write 5 there. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. So children, write 0 there and rupee 1 is carry. Now under the rupees column only 1 is there. So write 1. Now children, your answer will be 1 rupee 5 paise. Now children, do remaining parts of question 1. Children, now check your answers of question 1. E part. Children, when you add 12 rupees 25 paise and 15 rupees 75 paise, you will get answer as 28 rupees 0 paise. Or you can say 28 rupees. Next F part, when you add 20 rupees 30 paise and 68 rupees 70 paise, you will get answer as 89 rupees 0 paise. Or you can say 89 rupees. Now the answer of G part is 171 rupees and 15 paise. Now children, the answer of H part is 702 rupees and 10 paise. Children, now let's do question number 2 at first part. Here you have to add rupees 6.75 and rupees 14.35. So children, we start adding like ordinary numbers from the right side. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0 there and 1 is carry. Now children, 7 plus 3 is 10. Add 1 carry. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Write 1 there and 1 is carry. Now children, 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 11. So write 1 there and 1 is carry. Now children, 1 plus 1 is 2. So write 2 there and write rupees below rupees, and children, put a point below the points in the answer. So your answer of A part is rupees 21.10. Now B part. Here you have to add 15.85 and rupees 3.20. First we add 5 and 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Write 5 there. Now children, 8 plus 2 is 10. So write 0 there and 1 is carry. Now 5 plus 3 is 8. Add 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. So write 9 there. Now children, write 1. So when you add rupees 15.85 and rupees 3.20, you will get answer as rupees 19.05. Now let's see the next part. Rupees 63.55 plus rupees 26.55. First we add 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0 there and 1 carry. Now children, 5 plus 5 is 10. Add 1 carry. So 10 plus 1, 11. Write 1 there and 1 is carry. Now 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. So write 0 there and 1 carry. Now children, 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. So write 9 there and write rupees below rupees. And children, put a point in the answer. So your answer will be rupees 90.10. Now let's see the D part. Here you have to add rupees 10.25, rupees 15.25 and rupees 20.50. Okay children, so we add them like ordinary numbers. We start adding from right side. So 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 0 is 10. So write 0 there and 1 carry. Now children, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 carry is 10. So write 0 there and 1 carry. Now children, here 0 plus 5 is 5. Now 5 plus 0 again 5. Now add 1 carry. 5 plus 1 is 6. So write 6 there. Now children, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So write 4 there. And write rupees below rupees. And put a point in the answer. So your answer will be rupees 46.00. Children, now your homework is do remaining parts of question 2. Thank you.